Plot the graph of y equals 3 over 2x minus 3 by first making a table of values. There's a lot of different ways that we can graph a linear equation. One of them is to find for certain inputs, any handful of inputs that we decide of x, what are the outputs of y, and then we can graph or plot those coordinate points and connect the dots. So let's start off. We picked -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 as some random x values that we want to test out and see what the y values are. Let's start plugging those in. Our first one was -2. What does that make y? So y equals 3 over 2 times -2 minus 3. The 2's cancel out. Y equals 3 times -1 is -3 minus 3. That gives us y equals -6. So when x is -2, y equals -6. Let's see what y equals if x equals -1. Then we plug in our -1 for x, simplify this. This gives us -3 over 2 minus 3, which can be rewritten as -3 over 2 minus 6 over 2, which equals -9 over 2. And we can plug that in for our y value when x equals -1. And if we continue on like that, plug in 0 for x, 1 for x, and then 2 for x, we get these coordinate points where y equals -3 when x equals 0, y equals -3 over 2 when x equals 1, and y equals 0 when x equals 2. Now we can plot these on our coordinate axis over here. Let's start by giving our coordinate axis a scale. So every tick mark that you see on here represents a unit value of 2. And then we can plot our points. Our first point is -2, -6. So we go left to -2 and down to -6. That first point goes right around there. Then we've got -1, -9 over 2. -9 over 2 is the same as 4.5. So this one's going to go -1 and then -4.5 right around there. We have 0, -3, 1, -3 over 2, which is 1.5. So right about there. And then 2, 0. As you can see, these points are starting to depict a straight line.